Students, in this video, we're going to learn about the difference between is or are. When you will use is or when you will use are. Is here is a singular verb and are is a plural verb. Let's see, everyone blank here. Everyone are here or everyone is here. Be careful with the subjects that contain one, thing, or body, right? For example, every, some, no, any, right? So look these words. Read it loud. Everyone, everything, everybody, someone, something, somebody, no one, nothing, nobody, anyone, anything, anybody. These words are sometimes confusing. Now everyone, it seems like a lot of people, like everyone, everybody. But this is a singular subject. So these all are taken as a singular subject and can be written with is, right? Everyone is doing work. Someone is doing work. So these all are taken as a singular subject. So now everyone blank here. Everyone is a singular subject, right? So with this we are writing is. Some of the equipment blank heavy. Some of the equipment taken as a singular subject. So we are going to write is. Some of the equipment is heavy. These flowers blank lovely. So what do you think? These is a singular subject or a plural subject? Now let's see. Whenever there is this or that, whenever there is these or those, this or that is a singular subject which is going to use the singular verb that is. These or those are the plural subject, right? So with this we are going to write are. With these or those we will write are because this is a plural verb. Now there is one more difference, that this as a singular subject means something that is near to you, right? And that as a singular subject means that something that is far from you, that is kept far. Now these as a plural subject means some things that are near to you, and those as a plural subject means some of the things that are kept far from you. Now we can say this is lovely. This is lovely. That is lovely. This means something that is near to you, and that means something far from you. Same as a plural subject, we can say these are lovely, those are lovely. So this and that is a singular subject which we use singular verb that is, and these and those are the plural subject which use the plural verb that is are. This means something near to you, that means something far. These means something near, those mean something far. So now these flowers blank lovely. So these as a plural subject. So what we are going to use, these flowers are lovely. Exactly. These flowers are lovely. Next is blank. Anybody home? So anybody, let's revise. Anybody, that is a singular subject with which we use a singular verb that is. So is anybody home?